your cabaret Voltaire and the vintage shoes you wear. So tell me now, have you found it yet? What the tarot said? Am I one of them now who gets you off the track and holds you back? You build your characters around illusions. Your horse is riding high above the clouds. You played well, but I can tell the girl who truly are. Make sure that you stand out. Careful what you wear with your red hair. You're good at hiding behind some fancy code no one knows. But why keep being proud with all these undone work around? Are you scared it won't work out? You build your character around illusions. Your horse is riding high above the clouds. You fool them all, but do they know you learned your lines by heart? That you only play a part, but not the girl you truly are.